over the face components of a Huebsch HTT30N dryer. The ring gasket is this one here on the door. All you do is pry it off and stretch a new one on. You have the door glass, the door handle, glass gasket here. That'll have to be a whole separate video to install. The control trim, this you just pry off and snap back in with new clips. Control decal, you can just peel this off with a paint scraper, stick a new one on. Upper lint tray gasket, again just peel it off with a paint scraper. The lint lock and key, an entire lint drawer face in case your lock ring is broken or your handle. The control lock and key, and the part number for the right. And we have the kick plates. These you'll have to drill the rivets out and put new rivets in, and then the decal for the lower lint tray.